Find the number of common tangents to the curve y is equal to e की power fractional part of x from the point minus half comma 0. Okay. So how many tangents can be drawn to this curve from the point minus 1 comma 0, minus half comma 0. Okay, and this is the fractional part of x. Okay. So y is equal to e की power fractional part of x. This is the periodic function. This is the periodic function. Fractional part of x is periodic. Periodic, that's why e की power fractional part of x is also periodic. Okay, and period is 1. So if we draw the graph within 0 to 1, at x is equal to 0, e की power 0 will be 1. And for x 0 to 1, fractional part of x is x, means this graph will act as a y is equal to e की power x. So e की power x will be like, this is e, this is 1. Okay, because at x is equal to 1, fractional part of x is 0 and e की power 0 is 1. And repeat periodically. 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. The same graph will repeat on the entire number. Okay. In the negative side, this is the minus 1, this is minus 2. So the same graph will repeat, and from the minus half comma 0, this is the point minus half comma 0, and from this point you are drawing the tangents. So how many tangents can be drawn to this curve from minus half comma 0? Okay. तो चलो लेट सपोज पहले इस वाले ग्राफ की बात करते हैं कि 0 से हाफ के बीच में जो वाला ये वाला जो पोर्शन है, ये किसका ग्राफ है? y is equal to e की पावर x. This is y is equal to e की पावर x minus 1. This is y is equal to e की पावर x minus 2. Okay. So let this is the tangent and this is point of contact. Let t comma e की पावर t. Let this is p t comma e की पावर t. So derivative at point p e की पावर t will be equals to e की पावर t minus 0 upon t plus half. So this is t plus half is equal to 1, means t is equal to half. The point of contact will be p 1 by 2 comma e की power 1 by 2. So there is a possibility of tangent. There will be one tangent. Okay. And now for e की power t minus 1. This point is corresponding to 1 by 2. Okay. And for this curve e की power x minus 1, let this is the tangent. Let this is the tangent. I don't know this tangent exists or not. Calculation will tell me. Okay. So let's suppose this point is again at just q, and let q is t1 comma e की power t1 minus 1. Okay. So derivative dy by dx is e की power t minus 1. So e की power t1 minus 1. E की power t1 minus 1 will be equals to, no, derivative is e की power t1. E की power x minus 1, how t minus 1. Okay. Okay, e power t minus 1, or this slope of the line e की power t1 minus 1 minus 0 upon t1 plus half. So t1 plus half is equal to 1, and t1 is coming out half. But for q point, t1 should be between 1 and half, 1 and 2, but it is coming t1 is equal to half. So this is not possibility of tangent. So further, for this curve, for this curve, for this curve, no tangent exists. Only there is a one tangent exists for this situation. Okay? Next one is fx is equal to minus of x square and x square plus 8. This is for x negative and this is for x greater than equals to 0. Equation of tangent line touching both the branches. Equation of tangent line touching both branches. Touching both branches of fx is equal to 0. Y is equal to fx. Y is equal to fx का दो definition actually. This is the first branch, this is the second branch. So you have to find the common tangent for both the branch. Okay. So question में ये कह रहा है कि x नेगेटिव के लिए क्या है? x नेगेटिव में तो माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर है. एक्स स्क्वायर का ग्राफ ऐसे जाएगा तो माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर ऐसे जाएगा एंड फॉर x नेगेटिव ऐसे. एंड x पॉजिटिव के लिए 0 पर वैल्यू कितना है 8 एंड एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 8. This is y is equal to x square plus 8 and this is y is equal to minus x square. Okay. So you have to draw a line which is tangent to both the branches. This equation. You have to find the equation of this line. This is a tangent to both the curve. Okay. This and this. From the graph it is clear that the slope of this line is positive. Okay. Okay. So in the parabola we have discussed for x square is equal to minus 4a by a. If you have to consider an equation of tangent to this parabola, you can take as y is equal to mx plus am square. Okay. So this is again same, x square is equal to minus 4a by type. So you can take a common tangent, you can take a tangent to this parabola as y is equal to mx plus am square. Okay, and y is equal to mx, a is what? 1 by 4. This is a line which is of slope m which is tangent to this parabola. M should be positive. ये तो ग्राफ से क्लियर हो रहा है कि m पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. Okay, and this line should also be tangent to this parabola. Okay, so y is equal to mx plus 1 by 4 m square is also tangent to this curve, second degree curve. So means put mx plus 1 by 4 m square is equal to x square plus 8. So discriminant of this quadratic will be 0 because this line is tangent to this. So we can say that finally quadratic will generate simultaneously. Will solve this and discriminant will be 0. And this is x square minus mx plus 8 minus 1 by 4 m square. And b square is what? M square is equal to 4a and c. C is what? 8 minus 1 by 4 m square. So this will come out m square is equal to 32 minus m square. 2m square is equal to 32, then m square is equal to 16, then m is equal to 4. Minus 4 can't take because m is positive. Okay. So finally equation of tangent y is equal to 4x plus m square 16 plus 4. This is the line which is tangent to both the branches. Okay. अब ये जो m is equal to minus 4 की क्यों आ रहा है? minus 4 की वजह से क्या होगा? वो एक्चुअली अगर पूरा ग्राफ ही होता है इधर और लेट्स सपोज इधर भी होता तो फिर एक स्लोप इधर भी आता, कॉमन टेंजेंट इधर भी आता. तो कैलकुलेशन में हम ये यूज थोड़ी कर रहे हैं कि ये सिर्फ x पॉजिटिव के लिए फंक्शन है, ये सिर्फ x नेगेटिव के लिए है. कैलकुलेशन तो हम पूरा कर्व लेके चल रहा है कि y इज इक्वल टू माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर एंड y इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 8, बट इट इज डिफाइंड फॉर x नेगेटिव ओनली, इट इज डिफाइंड फॉर x पॉजिटिव ओनली। इसलिए ग्राफ से ये समझ में आ रहा है कि m पॉजिटिव वाला जो टेंजेंट है दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड लाइन। ओके